Hello guys, it's me Abhi. Today we have a surprise. Here you can see I have ordered this product from the online for my drawing. But before I unbox this, please watch this video till the end. If you find this video cool, like it, subscribe and click the bell icon beside it for more otaku content. And don't forget to leave your guesses in the comments. It's now unboxing time. And these are Text 120 shades of alcohol markers. And check this out guys, these have 12 sided markers. See, one is broad and one is fine. And that's it for today guys. It's me Abhi signing off.